We're all set. Good luck, drivers. Drivers, is Invitational heat number 3. Quiet, please. Drivers ready. Quarter marshals ready. We're going racing on the toe. And we're off and running. Andy Moore trying to grab from the outside. Oh, late breaking move. Not going to do it though. Hooper going to hang on. Great start. Kinwall in the 3 spot. All right, here we go. Game on here. Race number 3. Hoopo Honigal, Andy Moore, Brian Kinwall. Down the straightaway they go. Hoopo and Andy pulling away just a little bit. Kinwall, Birch moving up. Birch up to the 3 spot. Oh, David John diving to the inside. Body's hung up, left rear. 45 seconds, we watch Hoopo trying to hold off Andy Moore. Down the straightaway they go, Hoopo Honigal. Our leader, Hoopo Honigal, Andy Moore down the straightaway they go. Andy closes it just a little bit. Three minutes 45. Hoopo holding on to the lead here. Andy Moore about 10 car lengths back down the straight. 13-1 lap for Hoopo Honigal. Andy Moore previous lap was a 13-1. Just a few feet between them. Into the SA go. Andy a little bit of ride, catches the corner coming out. Hoopo 13-2, 13-2. And they are pulled away from the field. Oh, Kinwall's on his lead. That's going to move John by. Timu goes by. So Dave Judd now, all by his lonesome out there as we move back to the front. It is Hoopo Honigal, Andy Moore. The 26 car, followed by the 8. Into the kink they go. Hoopo up in the curving, going into the carousel. Maybe going to cost him a 10th. Andy Moore, good line there through the S's this time by. 13-5 and Andy Moore's 13-2. Andy Moore closes up 3/10 that lap. Into the kink they go. Hoopo, a little shake coming out of the kink. Andy Moore closes that again. 2 minutes, 45 seconds to go. Andy Moore trying to close that last couple feet. Through the kink they go. Good line by both into the short shoot. Hoopo, better line through the S's that time. 13-2 to 13-3 for Moore. David John in the 3 spot down the straightaway, followed by Timu, Lemieux, and Birch and Kinwall. 2:20 to go. Hoopo Honigal out front, Andy Moore in tow. 2 minutes, 20 seconds to go, 2:20 to go. Our leader around the carousel into the short shoot. Hoopo driving a Tibia car, Andy Moore in a hot body Cyclone. Hoopo Honigal from Austria, Andy Moore from England. Watch it in the S's. Good job, our leader's coming up. Hoopo having a checkup, Andy Moore closes in as close as he can. Here we go in the 180. Brian Kinwall, give it room, thank you very much. Minute 45 on the clock, 1:45 on the clock. Hoopo a little faster through the S's that time. Andy run on the edge. 1:35 now on the clock. Hoopo Honigal out front. Driving it to me a 4:15. Lap times this time by 13-3 to 13-3. Andy Moore closed in, just can't get that last couple car lengths. We got 1:15 to go as they cross the line. 1:10 to go now. Andy Moore's going to have to come up with something. Hoopo driving a great run. 1 minute to go.
1 minute left.
There it is, 1 minute to go. Through the kink they go, Hoopo and Andy. We watch the battle down the straightaway between Timu and Lemieux. Andy Moore closes in a little bit down the short shoot. Andy Moore right there on the edge. Oh man, hard on the finders. Hoopo Honigal driving the wheels off that car. Awesome run up front here. Here's Andy. Andy closes up, tries the wide line, takes a look to the inside of Swimmer, not giving up. Hoopo's wide, but dives to the inside. Oh, beautiful blocking move there from Hoopo Honigal. We got 25 ticks on the clock left. Awesome run, Andy Moore closes up down the short shoot, catches the curving. 19 seconds to go, 2 more laps. Hoopo Hanago out front, driving that blue and white 26 car anymore. He's got 10 seconds on the clock. He's going to have to come up with something. Here we go. This is it, the final lap for the win. Hupo Hanago anymore. Into the keyhole they go. Hupo through the kink. Just a couple more turns in front of him. And Hupo Hanago, the final turn, a brilliant drive. Hupo Hanago takes the win. Outstanding run. Can't get more pressure than that for 5 minutes. Awesome drive, Andy Moore. Very good, clean racing, guys.